everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new card making kit. This is our bonus theme kit for June and it's called Hey Baby Boy, and yes, of course there is a Hey Baby Girl as well. Let me show you all the pieces you get in the kit. So first of all, you do get this printout of the actual size cards. So if you measure for here and here on this piece of paper, that's the actual size card that I have made. You get some of our iridescent rhinestones, some beautiful ribbon. We have got some Hey Baby Boy creative cuts, one of our little mini cut-apart sheets with some sayings that works with die number 4. We've got a 10 pack of our square card and envelopes, and we have got the 6x6 collection pack as well. Let me show you all the beautiful cards. So Hey Baby Boy, this is a bit of a fun one that kind of sits up like that, so it's a little window card. Hello. Oh boy, congratulations. You can actually use these for first birthdays as well. Oh, there you go, I made one. So happy first birthday. So a great set of 6 cards to get you started and crafting. Okay, we also have a Hey Baby Girl one. Let me show you that. So this is the girl kit and I'll show you everything that's inside. So here is your 6 cards that you can copy, and same as the other one, these are exact same size. And in the kit, again, you've got the iridescent petals and the beautiful white satin ribbon. We have got the Hey Baby creative cuts, your little cut-apart sheet with all the sayings on it. We've got another packet of the square card and envelopes, a 10 pack. And of course, we've got the Hey Baby little 6x6 collection pack. Let me show you the cards. We have got 6 cards again to get you going. A birthday one, first birthday. Again, this is one of those cute little window ones. Hello. Hey Baby Girl. Baby, congratulations on your new baby. That one's very sweet. And Sweet Baby. So card making kits are just $27 each, and you can pick this up on our website. Till next time, bye.